This is releasing stress. This is releasing anger. And for me too. And we do the brief. So we say, well, how's everybody's day going? Thumbs up, thumbs down. So they get to express how they're feeling. Because by the time they go home, their parents are like, look, I don't even want to hear all that. It's time to eat, it's time to take a bath, and it's time to go to bed. So they never get to let people know or let their parents know what's going on inside of them. They need to release that. We talk about that. They have fun. We provide other things besides just Double Dutch, so they have options. So it's not like we're making them Double Dutch. If you don't want to Double Dutch, don't Double Dutch. Hula hoop. If you don't want to hula hoop, do the skip it. Do something, and they find something to do. And that's how we're trying to bring the fun that we used to have. I'm 46 years old. These kids, all they want to do is talk on the phone or get on the internet. We're trying to introduce them to, like, there's fun outside. There's fun outside. And you don't even have to go and collect bugs, because I don't want to collect no bugs, but there is fun. And then they're learning how to do something they've never done before. They're meeting kids that they've never met before. And it's versatile, so it's not just all black kids, all white kids. It's everybody. That's why we promote unity in the community.